What's up guys? Hope you're doing fine. This is your Big Daddy Rocks and welcome again for another video. Ngayong araw na to guys ay nandito tayo sa Joren's Motorworks at magpapa-install tayo ng ating Bosch Europa at TDD Night Ranger. Malaki at malinis po ang shop ni Sir Joren's guys. Maaliwalas dahil open space ang lugar at kitang-kita din natin habang ini-install ang ating unit. Okay. Assured tayo guys sa quality dahil si Sir Joren's mismo ang nag-i-install kay Jet. At kitang-kita nyo naman sa skills ni Sir Joren's na bihasang-bihasa po siya sa pag-i-install ng ating ADV 160.
Nice.
Very friendly and accommodating po si Sir Joren's guys. Sinasagot niya po ang mga query about sa ating TDD Night Ranger at Bosch Europa. Okay. Dito guys ay nakamount na po ang ating TDD Night Ranger sa ating RM bracket.
Daddy, chill.
Ngayon ay gagawin na ang switch para sa ating passing light. Ngayon ay gagawin na ni Sir ang wire harness para sa ating wiring. Okay. As you can see, nilalagyan po ni Sir ng heat shrink tube ang ating wire harness. Added protection po ito sa ating wiring.
Nice.
Pampered and secured po ang ating mga fairings.
ADV 160 CTTO Europa, Bosch Europa. Ayan then TDD 7 modes. First mode, spotlight. Second, flood yellow. Third, flood white. Fourth, flood white and yellow combination. Fifth, spotlight of yellow. At 6, spotlight of white. 7 modes. Dugan na lang. And isang naka-on siya o passing. Stop. Kasi passing.
Comparison po ng ating stock headlights at ng ating TDD Night Ranger. Okay. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Ngayon ay itatry naman natin ang TDD Night Ranger. Spotlight, flood yellow, flood white, spotlight plus flood yellow plus flood white, spotlight at flood white, spotlight at flood yellow, at all lights on. Napaka-wide at napakaliwanag talaga ng TDD Night Ranger guys.
Nice.
So guys, ito po ang front view ng ating stock headlights. Ngayon ay i-compare natin ito sa ating TDD Night Ranger. Spotlight, flood yellow, flood white, spotlight at flood yellow and white. Spotlight plus flood white at all lights on. Sobrang liwanag niya talaga guys. Ngayon ay itatry naman natin ang passing light. Okay. Ito po ang 3-in-1 halo switch, spotlight, flood yellow, flood white, spotlight at flood yellow, spotlight at flood white, flood yellow at flood white, at all lights na naka-turn on. Sobrang ganda niya pong tignan, guys. Try po nating i-test ride ang ating TDD Night Ranger. Napakaliwanag po ng kanyang spotlight. Kitang-kita talaga, guys, ang mga lubak-lubak nito. At ito po ang kanyang flood yellow, napakalawak din. At ito po, guys, ang kanyang flood white. Almost 2 lanes po ang naliliwanagan. Combination po ng spotlight at flood yellow. Ito po, flood yellow at flood white. Spotlight at flood white. At ito, guys, all lights na naka-turn on. Grabe, guys, sobrang liwanag talaga ng ating TDD Night Ranger. Kitang-kita, guys, ang mga lubak-lubak sa daan. Pati mga pusa at mga aso, kitang-kita dito. So yun po, guys, sobrang nagustuhan po natin ang ating Bosch Europa at ng ating TDD Night Ranger. Special shoutout sa iyo, Sir Jorens ng Jorens Motorworks. Thank you, sir, sa pag-install ng ating auxiliary light at ng ating loud horn. Special shoutout din sa inyo, guys, dahil nakaabot na tayo ng 200 subscribers. Lalong ginaganahan po tayong magawa ng mga videos, guys. So, that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. This is your Big Daddy Rocks. Bye for now and see you again on our next video. Peace!